BambooWorx Deluxe Sushi Making Kit Chopsticks, 5 pairs elegant chopsticks, 2 sushi rolling mats, 1 rice paddle, 1 rice spreader, 100% bamboo, sushi mats and utensils. It all starts with natural bamboo, innovated and designed to perfection, so every BambooWorx product is created with you in mind. And number 127843, what's included? Set includes everything you need from creating your perfect sushi to enjoying it in style. 2 full-size sushi rolling mats 9.5 x 9.5, rice spoon, rice spreader, 5 pairs of elegant, twist-style, chopsticks, and number 127843, how to use? First, use the specially crafted mats. Roll the sushi tightly, use the spoon to mix the rice and vinegar. This functional rice spreader will help you spread the rice evenly without the gooey mess on your hands. Finally, indulge in your delicacy with these elegant chopsticks. Enjoy your sushi. And number 127843, who can use this? For the beginner just about starting the sushi journey to the world-class professional sushi chef creating heavenly masterpieces, and not to mention the culinary student. This is an awesome gift idea for all ages. Enjoy it in the company of a spouse or friend and use both mats. Or, even better, host a sushi party for up to 5. And number 127843, are these natural? Absolutely. From the bamboo wood, which is the most renewable source, to the cotton strings, the entire kit, put packaging aside, is all natural. Plus, no mysterious varnish or paint used on the tools, only vegetable oil. And number 127843, how to maintain? Since the composition is natural wood, we recommend that you hand wash this only. Do not expose to high heat, dry thoroughly and use mineral oil occasionally to extend the lifetime of this kit. Tip: keep it clean by wrapping it with plastic such as a gallon zip bag or saran wrap. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.